We would turn down a case for a couple of reasons that come to mind. One is the first thing we do on a case is analyze how did it happen. And for a client to win a case, we have to prove that someone else was responsible for causing that client's injuries. And sometimes it's a close call. If two drivers enter an intersection both claiming green lights and every witness on the police report says our client or potential client had the red light, we want to be straight up with clients and say, gee, it's not a he said, she said. There are multiple witnesses against you, and we want to be straight up with a client right from the beginning and say if we don't think we can win their case, we don't want to sign up that client, string them along for a while, hope for a settlement, and when we don't get it, only then tell them that no, I don't think we'd be able to help them. So right from the beginning, if we don't think we can prove or make the case of liability, we'll tell a client that and not accept a case. Another kind of case we might not accept would be the extremely small case. And by that I mean someone is got bumps and bruises, and within a few weeks of an accident, they're just fine. In a case like that, there isn't that much we can do to help a client because there isn't that much medically that we've got to work with. We don't want to charge clients a fee if we can't help them. So if there's not enough for us to make a difference, we'll tell a client that, and we'll give clients suggestions as to what they could do to handle a very small case on their own. And if they can put maybe not as much money as we'd get, but without paying a fee and just with our telephone help, settle it on their own and put more money in their pocket, that is great. And that's another kind of case we'd not handle, the very small case where we can't make a difference. On the other hand, if the injuries are more severe and there are facts that we can work with, I think I'm confident in saying that even after a fee, we will make a big difference for you and the net recovery will be greater. But on a small case where there's not much to work with, we'll tell a client that we don't want to charge them a fee if we can't help them very much, and we'll just give them some tips, some suggestions, some ideas on handling it on their own. And we're happy to do that for clients.